The SoPro action camera mount is so much more superior than, say, the side helmet cam mount or the top helmet cam mount. Because the top ones, the biggest pet peeve with that is the visor is in the way. This one, it's kind of odd on the side of your helmet. You've got the helmet here. I think it is better than the top of the helmet, but it also makes, you know, your helmet want to go off to one side, pull to one side, because you have wind drag. Both my husband and I love these mounts because they're so easy to put on and use. So to install one of these, you take your mount here, your helmet. Pull these back here. Okay, kind of test fit, lock that down. It doesn't come out. Slide through and adjust accordingly. Lock that down. Okay. Everything's centered, looks good. Okay. So that's the install. Now just take these extra part of the extra part of the strap here and secure it through the rubber piece. Put on your camera and you're done. So you have your GoPro mount, and all you have to do and there you have it. Secure, not going to come off, very, very sturdy, ready to go view everything that you have to show the world.